What's up, everybody? And I'm going to give you a little update. I haven't been feeling too good. My stomach's been hurting very much, and I will not be making another video for a little while. I may make another video after this today. After that, no more videos for a little while. That's pretty much all I wanted to tell you. And I will start doing gameplay videos pretty soon. Just request a game for me. If I don't have the game, I'll let you know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.